think I found a Bellsprout in this game. Hello, my name is Alder. I'm the league champion in the Unova region. I came here from Unova to soak in the culture. The Kimono girls are so elegant, don't you think? But they're also fierce, very fierce fighters. I want to see the bond you share with your Pokemon. Go ahead and challenge them to a battle. The battle with these girls in Heart Gold and Soul Silver. It's not for the faint of heart, let me tell ya. Well, I did next to nothing. Yeah, so do I. The Knots of Destiny. Aren't there supposed to be 5 of the Kimono sisters, though? Okay, what is it with you all using mythicals? Come on now. And you get the Omni Boost, because of course you do. Yeah, I know. I'm just complaining because I can. That's a very unhappy Arceus. Wait a minute, I recognize you. You're the Kanto League champion, isn't that right? Yes, there is no mistaking it. After seeing you battle like this, it all makes sense now. I, myself, happen to be the league champion in the Unova region. I must say that the bond you share with your Pokemon is stronger than any other trainer I have seen. From one champion to another, the real reason I came to Johto was not only to soak up the culture. Indeed, the sages at the Bell Tower discovered a strange energy signature that appeared at the Bell Tower. The energy is similar to the energy released by the 2 legendary dragons of Unova myths, so I came to investigate. After seeing you in battle, it is evident that you are deserving of these. The Light and the Darkstone. Well, they're ancient Unovan artifacts that were unearthed in a place called the Relic Castle in Unova. They contain the spirits of the legendary dragons Reshiram and Zekrom, respectively. It is said that the stones are waiting for the emergence of a hero whose bond with his Pokemon is unequaled by any other. I tried to bring the stones to the top of the Bell Tower, where the unknown energy is the strongest, but alas I had no luck. But I believe that you might be this hero that the legends speak of. I would like you to please take the stones to the Bell Tower and see if you can awaken Reshiram and Zekrom. I mean, how else would I do it? That's the dance studio. That is totally not the right theme that should be playing. Orange Minior with its shields down already, eh? Yes, I should totally use the Master Ball. Fine. I can take a hint. Okay, now this is another stealth section, more or less. You cannot be caught by these Ghastly at all. The Reaper Cloth. Here, right? Yeah, if you get caught by any of the Ghost-type Pokemon, they send you down to the ground level. You gotta reach Morty. In order to talk to him, you gotta reach Morty from above. You gotta fall from above. So, about where that Haunter is. Okay, that should count. Come on. Oh, come on. I got surrounded. There's nothing I could do. What? That was bull. Okay, so I gotta fall north of where that Haunter spawns. Got it. There we go. You walked on these old creaky planks with no hesitation, like a phantom in the night. Yes, you must be a special challenger. My name is Morty. I am the city's gym leader. You intrigue me, so confident at such a young age. I would like to have a Pokemon battle with you. Meet me at the Ecruteak Gym if you feel the same. And now, Geronimo! If I recall correctly, I think his gym's really weird in this game. Yes. Dark-type Pokemon, huh? Well, that figures, doesn't it? She just abducted me! Mr. Vana! They call me Mr. Vana! Am I soft locked? Oh. So she has vanishes. Alright. So here's your warning, by the way. I just realized the flashing tiles are Cubone skulls. Superior! I see! That's an interesting Pokemon. Spiritomb is crazy. Its fusions are ridiculously either creepy or amazing. Scrapkip! Trestle! That actually looks cool. It looks like the literal spirit of the forest. Houndic! That's somewhat adorable. Houndfuck! That's even more adorable. Clefito. A little less so. Unnecessary attack boost. Good of you to have come. Here in Necrotique, Pokemon have been revered. It's said that legendary Pokemon will appear to truly powerful trainers. I believe that tale, so I have secretly trained here all my life. As a result, I can now see what others cannot. This is why I have an affinity for Dark-type Pokemon. Just a bit more. With a little more, I could see a future in which I meet the legendary Pokemon. You're going to help me reach that level. So if you're searching out a legendary Pokemon, you specialize in Dark types. Are you trying to search for Darkrai? Whoa. That's cool. Scraflem. That's pretty cursed. Oh yeah, he fell tall. That's true. Houndoom? It's an adorable little hellhound. With a focus sash. I see. Molrion. Ha. Interesting. Moltres and Umbreon. Not bad. Not bad at all. I like my Umbreon fusion a bit more, though. The aura that it gives off. Mercoon. Oh well, it didn't matter. I'm not good enough yet. Alright, this badge is yours. I see. Your journey has taken you to faraway places, and you have witnessed much more than I. You are most worthy of the Fog Badge. And it still fits, being a Dark-type trader. Sure, I'll wear his headband. Turn into 8-bit Solid Snake here. Alright. So with that out of the way... One they'll let us ascend Bell Tower now. His outfit would be awesome to get. I doubt you could get it, though. Yeah, I didn't think so. Whoops, that's the hotel. I'm used to where it normally is. I love the look of this trail. The autumn leaves plus... In the original game, in the original version of this trail, there is no music. All you hear is the rustling of the leaves that you step on. Isn't ambiance great? Oh yeah, that's right. Bell Tower is weird in this game. Okay, so how this works is you need to navigate in the darkness. Where am I? Okay. There we go. Oh, that's cruel. That's very cruel. Sort of. Jeez. I guess this is a bit of a step up from what they would usually give us in here. I am quite lost. Make it back to the statue, but then I get lost. There we go. That's how you get out. Where's the bell? There it is. Okay. Oh, that's mean. That's very mean. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Oh, that is mean. That is very mean. Okay, so the bell's right there. Through that one opening. Okay. Oh, I see. Jeez, I was going to say, come on now. Ugh. Well, that was annoying. You know something? Those two actually do look pretty darn good together. Yeah, yeah, imagine that. Almost as if they were indeed a single dragon. That would have been interesting. I mean, the very concept of this game comes from these three, so doesn't surprise me in the slightest. Yep, they did. In fact, they're in this game. I'm not sure where you get them, but they are in the game. Cool. I like this because it works better. At least they make getting out of here as straightforward as possible. Okay, so now that we have Reshiram and Zekrom, time for a few meme fusions. That's what it was. Alright, alright.